To use CoolModel, you first have to log on with your credentials. If there is no model data available, you will automatically be directed to the version management screen, where you will be able to perform all the necessary actions. After having uploaded the OutSystems metadata, you are told what the next step is. We can click on either the Edit icon in the Edit Domain Data area, or on the Waiting for Domain Input link to move on to this next step. As you can see, you can move back and forth between the version management and the domain data. When we click on the icon or link, we move to the screen where we can start managing software systems. The OutSystems metadata we've previously uploaded isn't ready yet for creating an architectural model or diagram. We can tell because on the top left-hand side we are told how many containers are still to be assigned to a software system. By clicking on the looking glass, a pop-up will appear showing the names of the containers yet to be assigned to a software system. You can enter a text to filter this list to help you focus. By clicking on the Add button, we create a new software system. The software system must be given a name and a description. For getting an easy and quick start, we will assign the new software systems to be part of the business subdomain. Domain behavior should for now be set to vertical and the checkbox is functional, should be checked. After everything is in place, you click on the Save New Software System button. The result of the new software system has appeared, and you can easily see the details in the Containers column of the list, or by hovering over the name of the software system. How to use the pencil and trash icon will be a topic for a different video. By clicking on the name of a software system, we jump to the Assign Containers screen. Here we have a few options to make things easier. We can filter containers using any text we like. Once we have a selection, we can easily use the arrows to move a container in or out of the software system and scope. Furthermore, we have a checkbox which shows us containers not yet having been assigned to a software system. By combining the checkbox and the text filter option, you will find your way of making the appropriate selections as quickly as possible. When we have all the appropriate containers selected, we click on the Update button to save this setup, and we return to the overview of the software systems. In the Containers column, you now will see the containers that have been added to this software system. You will also notice that the number of unassigned containers has been reduced. It's your goal to get this number to 0 to be able to continue the model and diagram creation process. As you will notice, all the software systems we need for this example have been added. Now it's time to add the last two containers to a software system. The Acme Email and Acme SMS containers both have to be added to the Acme Communications software system. After updating this software system with the most recent additions, CoolModel will tell you that everything is good to go to create your first CoolModel version. To continue the creation of the architectural model and diagrams, you have to return to the version management screen. Here you will see that the status has been updated to Start Processing. By clicking on this link, the process to create your model and diagrams is started. At the left side, you see the progress of the creation of your new model version. The metadata will be staged for processing, collected into the model processing engine, create model objects, create references between the model objects, create diagrams and their layouts, and after analyzing the data, the process will be finished. By selecting the Version History menu item, you will get an overview of the versions currently available. Since this is the first version, you will see one record with the status finished. You are now able to create versions of your OutSystems landscape in CoolModel.